If the jury finds that the doctor was careless, and that carelessness was a cause of your injury, one of the elements of damages is how much compensation are you going to give to this injured victim for the pain and suffering they endured from the time of the incident up until the time of trial. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. So now, let's say this is a medical malpractice case. At the end of the trial, the jury is going to have to answer a series of questions. If they determine that the people that you have sued were careless, violated the basic standards of medical care, and now that carelessness was a cause of your injuries, now they will go on to the next question, which is, how much compensation are you to receive for all the harms and losses and injuries that you suffered? And one of the subsets of those questions will be, how much are you going to compensate this injured victim for past pain and suffering? That's known as non-economic losses. You see, there's a difference. Economic losses are those things we can calculate easily. We can say, okay, you were earning $100,000 beforehand, and now because of this incident, because of this carelessness, now you're unable to work. And now we can go back, look at their tax records, their W-2 forms, see exactly how much they earned in the past, how much they likely would have earned in the future, and now we can calculate those damages. That's economic loss. But when you talk about pain and suffering, that's intangible. But now the jury is expected, and they will have to put a number on it, to determine how much compensation that you will get as a result of that element of damages. There are many different types of damages available for someone to claim. And then to give you a preview of what they'll do next, now they'll have to answer the question about how much compensation they're going to give the injured victim for future pain and suffering. And that's a topic for another video. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if you haven't started a lawsuit yet, and your matter did happen here in New York, and you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is, you know what I'm going to say, right? Pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.